Roger Federer.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Love you all. It's been an amazing journey. Thank you, everybody.
Defending men's champion Novak Djokovic has been deported.
Мною принято решение о проведении специальной военной операции.
Nobody's going to break us. We're strong. We're Ukrainians.
Russia has become the world's most sanctioned country.
For the first time in Pakistan's history, a leader has been ousted by a vote of no confidence.
This amazing little device holds 1,000 songs.
At least 19 children murdered, shot dead with a high-powered rifle. 2 teachers also killed.
Singer R. Kelly, he has been sentenced to 30 years in prison.
22 and a half years. That is the sentence for Derek Chauvin for killing George Floyd on that day last year in Minneapolis.
And Hurricane Ian continues its catastrophic rampage.
There is a total electricity blackout in Cuba.
129 people are dead after panic erupts at a soccer match.
And I want you to know how sad I am to be giving up the best job in the world.
I am resigning as leader of the Conservative Party.
This government will have integrity, professionalism, and accountability at every level.
Queen Elizabeth II passing away peacefully today at 96.
Growing signs of an impending recession.
The prices refuse to come down and the anger is now boiling over.
The world's population has touched 8 billion today.
2022 has been a brutal year for cryptocurrency.
These are the very first images captured by the James Webb Space Telescope.
The winner of the MasterCard
Song of the Year!
The Artist of the Year goes to...
The Grammy Awards ceremony was obviously a big night for Olivia Rodrigo.
K-pop supergroup BTS announced that they are taking a break to focus on their solo careers.
The greatest of all time. Will it be an Olympic record?
China's snow princess is the queen of big air.
England have won a major trophy for the first time ever. Real Madrid, simply unique.
Protests raging across Iran over the suspicious death of 22-year-old Mahsa Amini while in police custody.
The Taliban have ordered an immediate and indefinite ban on university education for women.
There's a surge in fear and COVID-19 cases in China. Hospitals across China have been overwhelmed by an explosion of COVID-19 cases.
Pelé, the Brazilian football legend, has died at the age of 82.
And in 2022, the world champions are Argentina.
In my family, it took just one generation to go from segregation to the Supreme Court. We have come a long way.